Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about solving simple interest. This is part 2. So in here, our main topic is all about maturity value or future value. So what are the things that we need to solve maturity or future value? Ito yung mga kailangan natin. F equals maturity value, P equals principal, R equals interest rate, and T equals term or time in years. So we have the following formulas. F equals I plus P, I equals F minus P, P equals F minus I. We can also have F equals P quantity 1 plus RT, and P equals F quantity 1 plus RT raised to negative 1. So you can go back with this formula while solving or watching this video examples. So let's have example 1. Find the maturity value if 1 million pesos is deposited in a bank at an annual simple interest rate of 0.25% after 5 years. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung maturity value ng 1 million pesos kapag dineposit mo sa bangko na may interest rate na 0.25 pagkatapos ng 5 taon. So, first, ang hanapin natin, ang given natin ay 1 million, then rate is 0.25% or 0.005, and then T is equal to 5. Okay, then write the given to the formula. So the formula that I was used in this problem is F equals P of quantity 1 plus RT, because we're looking for the maturity value. At the same time, the given is equivalent to this formula. You can go back to the first part of the video so that you can see the different formulas in using or in finding the future value. So, the P is 1 million as are given. And then we have 1 plus 0.0025 times 5. Actually, this one, you can type this in your calculator. So, kung paano siya nakasulat dito sa PowerPoint, ganun mo siyang itatype sa calculator. So, you should write open parenthesis, 1 million, close parenthesis, then open parenthesis ulit. So, open parenthesis ulit, and then 1 plus 0.0025, then close parenthesis, open parenthesis, 5, which is the time in years, and then close parenthesis, pwedeng dalawa, and then click equals. You will get okay, so you will get 1,012,500. So that will be your future value at the end of 5 years. Okay? So kung di naman na nakukuha ng calculator ninyo, pwede naman na i-type nyo muna ito sa calculator. So, we have 0.0025. Pwede nyo akong sundan. Ulitin ko, 0.0025 times 5. Click equals. Plus 1. Click equals. Times 1 million. Click equals. You will get 1,012,500. Yung unang nabigay ko na instruction, kung hindi mo nakuha, again, pwedeng ganito ang gawin mo. 0.0025 times 5, click equals, plus 1, click equals, times 1 million, click equals. You will get 1,012,500. Okay? So, the future of maturity value after 5 years is 1,012,500. Now, let's have another example. How much should you invest at a simple interest in 7.5% in order to have 300,000 in 2 years. So we have so we have here the given 0.075, which is the 7.5%, and then 300,000 is F, and then T is 2. Ang hinahanap mo dito is magkano daw ang ilalagay mo, let's say ilalagay mo sa bangko. Okay? So, ang tinatanong niya is yung amount na ilalagay mo sa bangko. Pwede yung original amount. Ito yung principal. So, magkanong principal daw ang ilalagay mo sa bangko para ikaw ay magkaroon ng 300,000 which is your future value in 2 years. So, meron tayong find P. So, we have P equals F over 1 plus RT, or pwede mo rin gawin yung formula na binigay ko kanina. So, ito muna tayo. P equals F over 1 plus RT. So, we have 300,000 divide 1 plus 0.075 times 2. So, paano yan gagawin sa calculator kung ang gamit mo ay cellphone lamang? So, we have 0.075 times 2, click equals, plus 1, click equals. So, yung nakuha mo ay i-divide mo sa 300,000. So, 300,000, let's say this is 300,000. And then, yung nakuha mo sa binultiply mo and inadd, which is 0.075 times 2 plus 1 is 1.15, right? So, 1.15. I-divide mo lang yung dalawa. So, 300,000, divide mo siya ng 1.15 at ang makukuha mo ay 260,869.57. So, always use 2 decimal places for your final answer or nearest hundreds. No? So, let me check. So, we have 260,869.57. Correct. Now, if we will use yung formula na binigay ko kanina, we will get the same answer. So, let's have P equals, I think that is F times, parang ganito siya, no? 1 plus RT raised to negative 1. Right? Okay. So, just write first the given doon sa mga, dito sa ating formula. So, we have F, 300,000, R is 0.75, and T equals 2. So, first, isolve mo muna yung dito. So, we have, I think yung makukuha mo dito is 1.15, right? So, we have 1.15. Okay? And then, i-multiply mo siya, i-erase mo siya ng negative 1 sa iyong calculator. So, ita-type mo 1.15 raised to negative 1. You will get 0.869565217. I repeat, you will get 0.869656217. And then, i-multiply mo siya ng 300,000. I repeat, i-multiply mo siya ng 300,000. Hindi siya i-divide, okay? I-multiply. You will get 260,869.57. Same lang siya nito. Ulitin ko. Another way para ma-solve mo ang principal is F quantity or square bracket 1 plus RT raised to negative 1. So, 1 plus RT, yung nakuha mo, which is 1 plus 0.075 times 2 is 1.15 raised to negative 1, at yung nakuha mo dun sa raised to negative 1, i-multiply mo ng 300,000, hindi siya i-divide, and then ang makukuha mo is same lamang ng 260,869.57. So, pareho lang sila ng makukuha. So, either ito ang gagamitin mong formula o ito ay pareho lamang ang makukuha mo. Just follow lamang yung procedure. Alright? So, that's all about for solving simple interest part 2, which is all about the maturity or future value. With that, thank you very much for listening. If you have questions, suggestion, you may write a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for this channel for more updates. Bye!